So we're moving pretty quick with the Supra because I kind of already ordered all these parts prior to even purchasing the car. Actually, I ordered these parts when I still had the Civic, which is pretty funny. And I didn't want to hesitate. I didn't want to have to wait on parts. We're obviously going to be lowering the car and doing some power mods, of course. You know, we don't want to keep it at stock power, and knowing this platform, it definitely has a higher power potential. So today's install is going to be the downpipe, and we also have the flex fuel kit. We're going to see if we can get that in today. And then obviously just putting her on E50. I heard that with an E50 tune with a catless downpipe, it could make around close to 500 wheel and close to 600 torque, which is honestly plenty of power on this platform for me. And the ZF transmission is pretty quick. I'm not going to give like a whole review of the car. Of course, we'll do a separate video for that. But we're making moves really early, really quick on this, because I promise you guys the next platform was definitely going to be crazy, and us diving into it, we got a lot more going on. So I hope you guys are enjoying the new content. I hope you guys are enjoying the new ride. I know that we moved pretty quick onto this and are moving pretty quick forward. So we're going to head over to the shop right now, get this bad boy going, and I just can't wait to see what she sounds like with the catless downpipe. Now owning this, your perspective definitely changes when you drive it, for sure. But one thing that I've noticed is back then I used to hate the guys that would always have pop tunes or have pop exhausts. Like, I'd just be like, all right guys, I get it, you're popping, it's cool. Like, you don't have to do it excessively every single time. But when you own the car, and you know, this is stock right now still, and it does it naturally, I've become one of those guys now. Oh man, this person almost cut me off. What the heck? So I've become one of those guys now. I've realized it's pretty fun. I'm sorry. Originally, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't really like the Supra, and I think I really wanted to talk myself into getting the C6 Corvette. But after experiencing it, driving it, you definitely change your perspective. And a lot of people, merge in there real quick, but a lot of people obviously diss it because they say, well, it's a BMW, you know, it's not a Toyota. But you know, I've done so much research to actually find out there's actually a lot more Toyota in this than people even give it credit for. I was actually watching a video the other day of how they were engineering the B58. When they engineered it, they would actually transfer over a lot of the parts that they were doing when building this B58 over to Toyota, so that way it can meet Toyota standards, reliable standards. And Toyota would tell them, you know what, hey, you got to redo this and redo that, and they would really do it down to the bolt. So if you actually do your research into finding out about this B58, this wasn't solely built by BMW. Toyota had a big counterpart into this, and I think that's also the reason why this motor is a pretty amazing motor so far. And I'm sure you guys have probably seen videos, but a lot of it has been proven already out there. I mean, there's 8-second B58s now, and I mean, they're really moving out there, and this is definitely a motor that I gotta say I love. Aside from that, when it came to actually the aesthetics of the car and the whole exterior, that was solely Toyota. BMW had no part in say of the exterior of the car. I actually found that out in the video too, that when it came to that point, that's when Toyota and BMW split fully and said, hey, you guys work on your Z4, we'll work on the Toyota. And so the aerodynamics and everything that was meant on this design definitely was a full Toyota build. And so, gotta say, man, if you're gonna still hate it and say it's a BMW, I mean, BMW is still not a bad brand either, so I'm not upset or anything. Actually, this is honestly an amazing car. It's very smooth. I have a lot of fun with it, and compared to the SI, definitely a different caliber. But I will not say that I hate the SI, because I definitely miss the SI, and it's what brought us together today. But this car is just something else. I'm not gonna lie. I'm falling in love with it more and more every single day. Alright guys, so we just finished the downpipe install and I did a quick little oil change, put some Torco in there of course. And so we're gonna go ahead and get a quick startup. It's pretty late night, I know the energy isn't fully there, but I definitely want to document the first mod that we've done on this car. And we'll see how she sounds. So it's gonna be the first startup with the downpipe. That was pretty loud. Holy shit. Oh, fuck me. Alright, I'll make sure it's in sport. Alright, here we go. Start up right here with the downpipe. My gosh.
I told you.
What the hell?
There you go. Bro, this is your freaking Supra, man. This is yours.
This is mine, dude.
This is crazy, man. First fill up.
First fill up. Full fill up.
You got your downpipe on now? Oh, no. Yeah, you got your downpipe on now. That's a cop.
That's so bad. Like, is that how it is? And that's a cop. Oh my gosh.
I
Don't
got
look.
that.
Don't look.
You're good, bro. Hey, you're already getting in trouble, man. But hey, you're good. You're good. It's a Supra.
Oh shit, he's U-turning.
No, he's not.
Nah, just kidding.
You got me.
Oh shit, he is.
No, he's not.
Dude, he's U-turning.
No, he's not, dude.
Dead ass, he's U-turning.
Nah, you're good. Just leave it in normal.
My god, this light couldn't take any longer?
Seriously. Oh no, you're good, you're good, you're good. Oh yeah, no, you're good, bro.
Oh my god! Holy shit! I'm sorry. It's one. Oh my god! It's almost 1 in the morning. I'm so sorry.
Hey,
Alright, that was the last time. That was the last.
No, it's not. No,
that was the last time. That was the last time.
Don't be sorry.
I am so. That's enough. That's enough. That's normal. I'm calling it.
That is insane.
That is crazy.
You would.
For the video.
You have to. He's living the life. Acting a fool.
Yeah, I blame Kevster.
Nah.
I blame Kevster.
I think you owe me.
Nick and Kevster.
I think you owe me.
Because of these guys.
I think you owe us. Dude, look how happy you are.
Alright guys, so this is where we end it. But sheesh, we got the 2 Supras. Nick's isn't here right now because his is doing some stuff. But dang. Red and the silver.